Alright, I need to move my other compost pile. The one over near that shed, over here. I think I'm going to go ahead and do that today. Let me get my big red bucket. Yeah, it's got water in it. Oh, I'm going to get my big red bucket. And I'm going to go get some of that compost. And I'm going to start filling in here on this thing. I need to stack some rocks underneath the edge of it so it'll straighten out a little bit better. Needs to kind of be level with that. Let's see if I can get them looking a little straighter. And then I got those 3 bars across. I need to take that middle bar out and attach it on the top of that one, kind of like that one is over there. Totally forgot to do that on that one. You can see how it's bowing out, and the bar will definitely straighten that up and keep it from bowing out, and get this all suited and ready for compost and good garden dirt, and to get my turnips planted. And when you know it, Little Puff has done hurt his front paw. Little Puff goes on adventures, and I don't know what he does to hurt himself, but he goes on adventures and goes out and about. And he's gone for a while, and then when he comes back, he acts like he's just needing attention, wanting lovins, and all that good stuff. Ain't that right, Little Puff? Act like you're starving. I gave you some food. You eat? Did you eat? You did? Okay. Well, I don't know exactly where he's been going, but I hear he's got a girlfriend. It's a gray and white kitty cat around here. I'm just going to pour this water in here. Little Puff, what are you doing? Gonna pour that water in there. Just go ahead and there. Now it's empty. What? Peas are growing. All right. I'm gonna go get the shovel. And I'm gonna take my red bucket over there, and I'm gonna get together some of that compost. What is wrong with you, Mr. Bill? Is it Little Puff? Little Puff, you bothering Mr. Bill? Mr. Bill had the same attitude with Nagini. Alright. Things are a lot better now. We got all that ice and snow melted off. It's 60 degrees out here today. It's a nice sunny day. So anyway, figured I'd come back here. I'm not going to take this pile quite yet. I'm going to clean that up. I'm going to go put that over there in that 4x8 square where I've been putting all the other. And there is my trail camera taking a picture of me right now. So I'm just going to set my little camera up down here, and I'm just going to work on my compost. Oh. Whoop. Here we go. Don't want my thing to fall over. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Move. Dang it. Cats always got to be out here under my feet. Unless Little Puff likes to be under my feet, but after he comes back from gallivanting, wherever he goes, he likes personalized attentions, don't you, Little Puff? Feels like he's got to be all in my way. Smush that down in there. Alright, a good bit of stuff out here. I thought it wouldn't fill up a 5-gallon bucket, but it's already kind of filling up there. Mush it down a little bit. Mush it down. There we go. Might have to do 2 trips to get this. Mush it down. Think I can get all that in there? Maybe. Mush it down. There. There we go. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do 2 trips. Show you what I got so far. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do 2 trips. I'll go ahead and carry this over there. So, 5-gallon bucket. So I'll get this in there, and then sometime later I'll do that. I need to get all the little cardboard pieces, and Little Puff decided to leave me alone. Is there another cat out here, Little Puff? You see another cat? There's a little gray and white cat that's been coming around. Female cat. Little Puff and that female cat been spending time together. Ain't that right, Little Puff? There's something out and about. Mr. Bill, were you taking a nap? Did I interfere? Look at that face. He looked like he was a little bit upset at me. You upset at me, Mr. Bill? Okay, we're going back to sleep then. Alright, there's a little good bit. Now I gotta go get the rest of it. Thought that was still alive, but it's not. It's rotting. Oh well. Get it in there. some of this stuff has been out here a long time. Other parts of it, not so long, but that's okay. I'm just going to clean up this area. And what I'll do is I'll just start taking the stuff from the house that I put in kitchen scraps and stuff over into my 4x8 square garden. And I'll cover it up with that compost pile. And then it will all just sit in the gardens and continue to compost. So that's the plan. Anyway, I'll get this part cleaned up over here, and then hopefully this area will be, I don't know. I did plant some what do they call them? Mustard greens all out in there, and I'm really hoping the mustard greens take off and do really well. And I might just take this little area here, go ahead and put some greens here on top of where I've been doing my compost. I think that might, because the soil underneath the compost pile has got to have some nutrients in it from the compost, but also just regular old soil, you know. So I think it'll probably be a good spot to grow some greens, maybe some turnip greens, probably just do mustard greens out here, because you know, I've got a lot of mustard greens out here already. So I might as well just go ahead and continue on with my mustard green garden here. Alright, almost got it. Wow, they're like 2 5-gallon bucket loads, so 10 gallons. Oh, is there a worm? That's a good indication that you got some good dirt. A worm. Throw that in there. Alright. Come on, get on there. Alright. Whew. Get it in there. So the yard will start looking a lot better over here. Now that I've got this, getting this all cleaned up. Still got a lot to do though. A whole lot to do. Piece of cardboard. All right. Oh, I tell you, Little Puff always finds the most comfortable spot to hang out. All right, that's not all going to stay right there. I'll spread it around. And these turnips, of course that bag of compost stuff there, I'll get those out of here kind of spread this stuff around a little bit more. Then I'll end up going and getting the other pile of compost over there and bringing it in, giving a good layer of all that. And then after that, I'll open up these bags and spread a layer of that over the top. And I want to get it as full as that one is, and then get these turnips planted in there so the turnip greens can come on and grow. Hopefully they'll do as good as those. I hope so. All right, talk to you later.